Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe and this is your JIS News for Thursday, January 23, 2025. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has announced a new task force to help drive transformation under the Aspire Growth Policy, which was launched last November. Dubbed SPEED, Streamlining Processes for Efficiency and Economic Development, the task force is to begin its work by the end of February. This is to include identifying bottlenecks, recommending actionable solutions, and delivering tangible outcomes within specified timelines.
Whether through a single team or a rotating group of focused individuals on specific areas, the mechanism will ensure Jamaica's business environment meets world-class standard. We are aiming for business at the speed of thought.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the Jamaica Stock Exchange's 20th Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference held on Tuesday. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, has welcomed reports of a surge in business, investor and consumer confidence. According to the latest figures revealed by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce in partnership with the Grace Kennedy Capital Management, Jamaica's Business Confidence Index jumped by nearly 13% in the fourth quarter of 2024. This reflects a steady quarter-on-quarter increase, as well as a 7.3% year-over-year increase, the highest level of recorded business confidence since the second quarter of 2019. Approximately 73% of businesses consider it a good time to invest in Jamaica. The survey shows that companies have strong expectations for excellent future profits, with expectation increased by 15 points from 158 to 173. Consumer confidence also grew, improving by 4%. Minister Hill says the data affirms the entrepreneurial drive of Jamaicans and is evidence that government's efforts to create an enabling business environment are yielding good and clear results. He asserts that with businesses expecting a stronger financial performance and consumers showing greater purchasing power, Jamaica is on a steady path to economic growth. Government has declared a state of public emergency for 4 new geographical areas, namely the St. Andrews South, St. Andrews Central, Kingston Western, St. Catharines South Police Divisions. It was announced on Tuesday and follows a significant increase in violent criminal activities within these areas. According to a statement from the Office of the Prime Minister, these locations have been identified as hotspots for gang-related warfare, which poses public safety risks to residents, commuters, and bystanders, giving their use as public thoroughfares. The release further outlines that intelligence assessment has revealed that violence and criminal activity in these communities has reached a level beyond what standard policing strategies can manage to effectively restore stability and public order. The state of public emergency is expected to give the security forces room for enhanced security tactics to disrupt criminal networks, apprehend offenders, and foster conditions for lasting peace. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, has announced the reintroduction of bus routes in May Pen. The May Pen route was initially introduced in 2017 through a partnership with the Ministry of Education and Youth to accommodate students in the area. The JUTC says the reintroduction signals the company's commitment to providing reliable and accessible transportation solutions. Residents can now access bus services on Route 501, which runs from Old Harbour to Denby in May Pen via Freetown and the Bustamante Highway. Route 502 traverses Lionel Town to Denby in May Pen via Vere, Hayes and Mineral Heights. Then there is Route 503 going from toll gates to Denby via Osborne Store and Muirhead Avenue. And persons traveling from Spanish Town to May Pen via the toll road or highway can do so on the newly reopened Route 511. And finally, Minister of Culture, Olivia Grange, is reiterating the Jamaican government's call for the United States Congress to expunge the criminal record of Jamaica's first national hero, Marcus Garvey. She made the call in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, even as she again welcomed the decision by former U.S. President Joe Biden to pardon Garvey.
Today, we celebrate a victory. but the mission continues. And we dare not give up now. This historic pardon is a most significant step in a process which must continue until the national hero is exonerated. His name must be cleared completely. So we now look to the US Congress to take action to expunge the criminal record from the hero's name.
Marcus Garvey was convicted of a mail fraud in a U.S. federal court in 1923. To support the process of clearing his name, Minister Grange points out that the Jamaica National Heritage Trust in 2009 secured the transcript of Garvey's trial in the United States.
I proudly display all 4 volumes as a reminder for posterity and as our tool with which we are now equipped to go forward for his exoneration. It's all here.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.